Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this occasion, I will present the result of my essay to complete the PPI-MK English course in the final semester exam. I will present my essay entitled Integration of ID number as taxpayer number. But before starting the presentation, let me introduce myself first. Introduce, my name is Wahyu Handika. You can call me Wahyu. I came from Tuban, East Java. I am currently studying at the State Finance Polytechnic STAN, majoring in Diploma for State Financial Management. Now, I am in class MKN 24, lesson number 24. The first topic is the background of the issuance of this policy. Why should this policy be issued? The integration of ID number as taxpayer number is a form of follow-up to Undang-Undang Nomor 7 of 2021 concerning harmonization of tax regulation. This integration of ID number as taxpayer number will become a single identity number which have synchronization, verification, and validation in the context of registration change to taxpayer data as well as to complete taxpayer master file database. There are two legal bases for this policy. The first is Undang-Undang Nomor 7 of 2021 concerning harmonization of tax regulation. Then, the Minister of Finance Regulation Number 112 of 2022 concerning taxpayer number for personal taxpayer, agency taxpayer, and government institution taxpayer. And the next topic is purpose and benefit of the program. The first benefit is strengthen the integration between DGB data and the Directorate General of Civil Registration. With this program, synergy between DGB and Directorate General of Civil Registration can increase. Then the second benefit is the formation of a single national identity data. With a single national identity will make it easier for Indonesian citizens because they don't have to be confused with their many identities. They simply memorize the ID number of each pickup. Then the third benefit is accelerate public service to the community, provide confidence in the administrative process and taxpayer service. With this change, public service can be more easily obtained because of the ease of administrative process. And then the fourth benefit is the public will get faster and easier tax service, where the DGB will get a broad and accurate tax database. With this policy, both parties also benefit. Taxpayer can get better service, and the DGB also gets a wider database so that it has the potential to increase tax revenue. Then, how to make this happen? To achieve this program cannot be done government alone. With a population of hundreds of millions, it is impossible for the government to do this alone. Therefore, the role of citizen is needed to have the government integrate its ID number as taxpayer number, namely by validating ID number to the online DGB site. Then, how to validation ID number as taxpayer number? The validation ID number as taxpayer number is very easy and takes less than a minute. First, taxpayer go to the DGP online page at dg〜online.pajak.go.id, then login by entering the taxpayer number, password, and security code. After successful login, the taxpayer find and go to the profile page. On the profile page, there is the main data button. There, the taxpayer will find the 16-digit ID number or taxpayer number column. In that column, taxpayer must enter the ID number. When finished, then click validate. Then the system will try to validate the data with those recorded at the Directorate General of Civil Registration. If the data is valid, the system will display an information notice that the data has been found. Click OK to end the validation process. The next step is completing the profile page. To edit, click the Change Profile button. The taxpayer can complete the Kilo data section and fill in the family member section. If it is finished and validated, taxpayer can use their ID number to log in to DGP online site. OAC is not the way to validate data. Integration ID number as taxpayer number is a very good program, but to reach this program is not easy. The government cannot do this alone. Therefore, the role of citizens as taxpayer to validate this data is needed to make the program successful. Well, that's a percentage for me. Sorry if there is an error. I hope what I say can be useful for you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.